Everyone online says, make passive income. But here's the truth nobody tells you. There's no such thing as 100% passive income. Every income stream takes one of two things: time or money. If you don't have one, you'll need to invest the other. Let me explain. When you start a YouTube channel, build an ebook, or create a digital product, that's active work up front. But once it's made, it keeps earning. That's where the passive part begins. The same goes for investing. Dividends, real estate, affiliate sales. They're all passive later, but they start with effort, risk, or capital. The biggest mistake people make is chasing income that sounds easy instead of building systems that actually last. Real passive income isn't set and forget. It's build and maintain. The key is to use AI to reduce that active effort. Use ChatGPT to automate writing. Use Pictory to generate videos. Use Notion AI to manage systems. AI doesn't make income effortless, it just makes it efficient. So don't chase shortcuts. Build assets. Automate smartly. And understand that the most passive income comes from doing the hard work once and getting paid for it forever.